Good morning. What can I help you find?
Hi, well, some lighting. I'm redoing the lighting in my entire house, and I want to start with the living room. And I want LED lights because, for the obvious reasons,
Sure.
they're energy efficient and they last for years. But I really don't want those harsh blue lights in my living room. So what do I do?
Easy fix. It starts with choosing the right bulb. The living room's a busy place, right? Bright blue light, probably not what you want, but I've got lots of options that are warm and welcoming. How about if I show you a few?
Let's do it, absolutely.
The living room is one of the most frequented areas of the home. It's used to entertain family and guests and just relax. Here you want to avoid bright blue light emitting lamps and use LED lighting that's welcoming and warm. Dimmable LEDs are ideal for the living room or just about any room with simple and subtle decor. You can also use three-way LED bulbs to adjust the brightness of the light in the room. LED track lighting illuminates artwork and family photos, and they can shed light on other focal points of the room. And LED bulbs that are dimmable and omnidirectional get rid of unwanted shadows when pointed towards walls and ceilings.
Next is the kitchen. Living room's done. I feel great about it.
Yeah.
So, kitchen.
Kitchen. You want to do just the opposite of what we did in your living room.
What do you mean?
Bright, task-oriented lighting so you can do things like chop and dice.
So I can read the recipes?
So you can read the
maybe?
recipes, absolutely.
Okay,
I've got
good.
some good choices for you. Let's just take a look down here. For kitchen counters and cabinets, you can use LED tape lights that provide accent and backlighting. In addition to indirect lighting for storage spaces, they can fit into areas that other lighting sources can't. The installation is quite simple, requiring basic wiring skills, no tools necessary. You can also install a touchless LED kitchen faucet that brightens your sink and controls the amount of water you use. It starts the flow of water when it senses your hand movement and stops it when it doesn't. If you have a table or an island in the kitchen, dimmable track lights or pendants with LED light sources and a warm color temperature will balance out some of the bright lighting in the room. They also work for dining rooms with neutral tones.
Great. Bathroom. This is what I need next. These are really pretty. Now, can I put, is that an LED? I like that
That is
one
an
right there.
LED, and look how bright it is. Think about the bathroom. You want a lot of light there because you do things like put makeup on.
makeup on in the bathroom.
Things
Absolutely,
like that.
yeah.
Consider putting that kind of light near your mirror and maybe add some recessed LED can lights to the back, giving yourself a couple different types of light in the room.
Great idea.
That'd be really great.
I wouldn't have even thought of that.
Yeah. One more thing, you can place an LED shower head in the shower. Not only does it illuminate the area, but models that bear the WaterSense label are designed to help you save water, energy, and money.
Oh, I really like these. But they're not LEDs, so they're not going to work for my house.
Yeah, they are. LEDs come a long way. What used to be kind of clumsy and cumbersome is now super stylish and sophisticated. You've got a lot of style options in LED that you didn't have not so long ago.
That's impressive. I had no idea.
Yeah, throwback vintage bulbs with the filament, dimmable lights. So you could even use LED in an entranceway, maybe in a chandelier or something like that.
That is great to know.
Yeah.
I love these. Let's go look for something for the bedroom.
Right this way. Placing LED lights in your bedroom and home office can help you stay energy and budget conscious. In the bedroom, you may want to go for a relaxed and peaceful feel. Fixtures and recessed lighting with dimmable LED bulbs would help you balance out the natural light seeping in from outside. You can also use dimmer lighting for your nightstand. In your home office, the lighting should maximize your ability to be productive. This may require you using LED bulbs with cool white lights, as well as a dimmable table lamp to switch the color temperature.
So outdoor flood lighting, is that LED?
Yeah, and it's a great choice for LED. Halogen burns hot and it tends to burn out quicker than LED.
Okay, what about landscape lighting?
Landscape and pathway lighting, exterior lighting for the front of your home.
So what about holiday lighting? Is that LED?
Oh, there's a huge selection of holiday LED lighting. It just seems to get bigger and better. Put a timer on it, your home will be the biggest, best, brightest in the neighborhood for sure.
That's great. Well, I think I'm all set here. You've been fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot. We'll see you next time, okay?
Bye.